The next topic related to the inventory is physical units included in the inventory. We will learn several scenarios whether or not we should include the inventory in the company's book or financial record. The first one is goods in transit. Basically, it is when the goods are on the way to their destination. We know inventory from the suppliers to the company or from the company to the customer, it usually takes days to be delivered. So there's always a period the goods are in transit. So how we account for the goods in transit? In accounting, actually, we consider the ownership of the goods, whether who has the title of the goods. So here is an example. When goods are in transit, there's two circumstances. One is when the goods are shipped, f.o.b shipping points, the freight on board shipping point. The other is f.o.b destination. So that's different terms in the contract between the buyer and the seller. For the f.o.b shipping point, the title transferred at the shipping point. In this case, the seller is this beverage company. This is the customer. So f.o.b shipping point consider the date when the goods are shipped. The seller recorded the sales on December 29th when the goods are shipped. And also the customer or the buyer will recognize these goods as inventory in their book on December 29th. Even these goods are still in transit and will be delivered in the next year on January 3, 2025. Differently, f.o.b destination, freight on board destination, the title was transferred at destination. If this case, the seller will recognize a sales on January 3, 2025 when the goods are delivered. While the customer will record inventory in the book when it is delivered. So that's two different time points according to their contracts. Okay. Barrington Corporation uses the periodic inventory system. By the end of year 2024, the ending balance of inventory was 80,000. We are given three items that were not included in the physical count. The question asks us what the ending balance of inventory should be. The first one is merchandise shipping to customer on December 28th, 2024, f.o.b destination. Since the delivery date is next year and the f.o.b destination, this company should not exclude this until January 5th. So it should include $3,000, this $3,000 inventory on its book until next year, January 5th. So we should add back this $3,000 to 80 physical count. Next one is f.o.b shipping point. Because the goods were shipped in this year on December 29th, so it is reasonable to exclude. So it is not included, that's correct. The third one is purchase from supplier, f.o.b destination. So the $6,000 inventory will only be recorded or debit next year because f.o.b destination. So Barrington Corporation should also exclude it, which is correct. So the answer is C. We should include 3,000 into the physical count.